Welcome to the shop in the Gaige building here at the Penn State Berks campus. My name is Wyatt Ritchie, and I'm going to be your guide as you go through each video in this series. Before I start, look around a bit. This video was shot on a 360-degree camera, so you can see everything around you. So go ahead and see for yourself. The purpose of these videos is to introduce you, the student, to the shop equipment in this facility. What the faculty and I hope to achieve is that after watching these videos, you'll have a better understanding of each piece of equipment. To optimize your immersive experience, a virtual reality headset works the best. If you're watching this through a headset, make sure to select the VR option. If not, you can still move your phone around or click and drag the screen to get the 360-degree experience. So take some time, look around, and in a bit, I'll introduce you to each piece of equipment you'll be learning about today. If you look at each piece of equipment, there's text right above it identifying what it is. If you start left to right, the first machine you'll see is the K2 vertical knee mill. The next one behind the wall in the back is a gas MIG arc welder. Following that is the horizontal bandsaw. To the right of that is the vertical bandsaw. And last but not least is the geared engine lathe. There are individual videos in this series that go into depth about each piece of equipment and allow you to see each machine close up so it's as if you're right there with the instructor. So after you get your fill of viewing the whole shop, check out the individual videos. I hope you find this to be helpful and fun. Thanks for watching.